Hi guys, in today's video we're going to explore Bing chat and using Bing AI to find out how we can excel on the social media space. We're going to ask a detailed question to gather some information. What are the advantages of starting a brand new social media versus trying to grow the old one? Let's dive in. First thing, you want to come over here and sign up for Bing, and then you want to click on Ask Bing Chat. When you click on it, you will have an option to select what type of questions you want to highlight on, and you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the small keyboard sign. Now let's try to ask the right question. Give me tips for growing on social media in 2024. Please be detailed and don't include any generic suggestions. We run a couple of different case studies with Bart AI and ChatGPT, guys, so you want to make sure you go ahead and watch these videos as well. So far Bart AI is the winner, but let's see how we can achieve our results using the Bing AI. Okay, understand your audience. You need to know what and who to target as your audience. This includes their motivation, inspirations. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, once you understand your target audience, you can create audience persons. Okay, choose the right platform, be active on the platform where your audience live. You need to put brand where they can find you easily rather than expecting them to seek you. Consistent posting schedule. Create a consistent posting schedule. This helps keep your audience engaged. Post short videos. Embrace social SEO. Help to increase your visibility on the social media platforms. Engage with your audience. Use data sophisticatedly. Okay, social media collaboration and processes. Leverage when the help of the AI will help you out. Strategic approach. And as you can see over here, the main point of using Bing AI is that Bing is giving you like a links and giving you sometimes the actual source of the information where they gather the info from. The issue with this is that sometimes they just give you a random blog post that they find on the search engine of Bing. So it's not like they're giving you the best source possible, right? They're giving you just whatever they find. Whereas with Bart AI is giving you like the most credible because they're using Google ratings, right? People leave comments, what is legit and what isn't, what is working and what is not. What. So now let's niche down, please. Niche down sectors where competition is low. We want to get a little more detailed information, guys. This is not gonna help us if we just run with this one. Sure, here are some sectors with low competition in 2024. B2B influencers. Okay, predict, build a strong following. The generative AI. We are going to use generative AI in social media space. This could be a great opportunity to stand out from the crowd. Social commerce. Wow, social commerce is not a new concept. There are still many untapped opportunities within the sector. For example, integration of retail media and the creator economy is still a relatively new trend. Threats are quietly growing as a positive space. This could be a great opportunity. I've been hearing that threats is going down, my dear friends. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Longer form videos on TikTok, welcoming longer form videos. This could be a great opportunity to create more in-depth content and engage with your audience. I don't know, guys. We do get some interesting point of views, but I don't feel that. I don't know, guys. I just feel that the Bing AI is not as good as Bart AI. That's my personal opinion. We just don't get so much new information over here. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.